review is of the 2008 Dodge Challenger, the SRT, and this is a 1/25th scale model, and it's originally by AMT, but it's produced by around 2 replicas. Here's some drawings of the inside of the car. Maybe a photograph, it looks really good. And another color. Here's some photographs, some more about the model, and then some photographs of the finished model. And underneath here it shows the different sprues. It does not look like an overly complicated model. So let's have a look inside. First of all, here we have our body and chassis. And it's fairly nicely molded. I don't really see any mold lines. And with some nice detail here. And underneath is our chassis and pan. And as you can see here, all the details have been molded in. It's a little disappointing. The engine parts have been molded in, the exhausts here. Some of our suspension parts have been molded in. Here's our rear axle. Next we have these additional sprues here, and here we have our cockpit dashboard with steering wheel. Looks like our exhausts here with mufflers. Here are the side mirrors, our pedal box, and the grills, scoops. These are for the front body panels here. And there's our steering column. Here are the sides of the doors and the front of the cockpit, or the bottom of the cockpit. Here's the hood and our rear bumper and front bumper. Now here's our glass. Glass is fairly well molded for front and rear. We have the headlights and tail lights, and then the cover for the rear bumper. Over here we have our wheels. They're painted with chrome. Not a fan of these. I'll have to most likely strip the chrome down. And then over here we have our axles. We also have some screws. And it looks like our seats. Let's open those up here. So this is a little odd, but our seats are actually made out of the same vinyl as the wheels. They're flexible. This is very odd. I've never seen this before. And not very good quality. We do have some flashing there. And here are our tires, also not well molded. It's a little disappointing. Onto our decals and instructions. Here are the decals. Let's have a look and see what they are. Usually aren't too many with cars, but we do have some. So it looks like for our mirrors, it's kind of silly. And depending on what color, you can paint it either. You can have them matching either white or black stripes. Some parts for the dashboard. Seat badges. Well, so that's interesting. And we also have some gauges. So here are the instructions for the Dodge Challenger. It's 1/25th scale. Start off by putting the wheels together. Putting those axles on the chassis as well as the exhausts. Then we put in the start putting cockpit parts together with their decals. Here's the cockpit going together with the side doors, seats, and dashboard. Put the bumpers together as well as the hood, and then mount everything onto the main body, including the glass. And then decals go on. Lastly, they will get mounted and screwed onto the body. So, all in all, should be an easy kit to build. Definitely are some disappointing parts. The engine not being there. The hood is completely flat here. Definitely these being vinyl are disappointing. One good thing about this model is the decals.